guess what? I found knobs. Knob. Check this out. This is cool. Anyway, down here there's a bunch of knobs. Maybe we can see this. Let's get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. Anyway, I found the bag of knobs. What for? Because I want to put them on riv nuts. So I found 1, 2, 3. I think I have enough. 4. Uh-oh. There goes number. This is 5. 6. There's 6. This would be number 7. Number 7. 8. 9. And 10. 10 knobs. And they all fit M5 screws. That means I should, if I can fit an M5 screw in there, I could put it on the, what do you call it? I need 12 knobs, but I don't think these are M5s. These are like something else. Got some big ones. So yeah, I'll put these on here for now. The thing's a little too long, but I think it might be perfect actually. They all fit. Yay, I found some knobs. I'll show you in a second what I'm going to do with them. See if I have enough river nut things. In fact, I'll go there and I'll test it out. I don't think so. I don't think they gave me enough of these M5 nut things. I don't think so. Maybe. Wait. I know I don't have enough to fill all the holes. Plus, I don't think the holes are big enough. See? This is the riv nut, and that's the little knob. It's going to be in the top of the box. Instead of unscrewing it and having to take the whole thing apart, I'll show you. I'll show you what I mean. Let's pause this.